makes its way, driving through the desert, come what may. The mighty ship sails across the sands, with the tallest wheels in the land. Inside it's luxury all the way. Oh, you ought to see it for yourself someday. Oh, have you heard of the Land Yacht? A mighty ship that makes its way, driving through the desert, come what may. It's 26 meters long and it's 8 meters high, and with 2 Maybach engines to power it